AIPMT Chapter 3 Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties. Question number 1. Which of the following orders of ionic radii is currently represented? Read the question again. Which of the following order of ionic radii is correctly represented? Now see the concept. For ionic radii, for isoelectronic species, positive ion is smaller than the neutral than negative. Suppose one example, sodium ion and neon and fluoride. Positive particle, neutral, then negative particle. This is the applicable for only isoelectronic. What is the reason? Here 11 protons are there, 11 protons and 10 electrons are there. Here 10 protons and 10 electrons are there. Here 9 protons are there, 10 electrons are there. See, proton and electron, the ratio. Here 11 protons strongly attracting the electrons, so those are coming to near the nucleus. So atomic radius is decreasing. Here equal. Here less protons are there, more electrons are there. So more electrons cannot hold by less number of protons. So atomic radius is increasing. This is the concept. Now see given options. H minus, H plus, H. Negative is higher than the positive, it's okay, but positive is smaller than neutral. So it's a wrong option. Then second option, Na plus, F minus, O2 minus. Plus and minus, so it is the wrong option. Next, F minus, O2 minus, Na plus. See, this is a single minus, this is a 2 minus. Obviously, it should be higher. Then again you can see F negative charge and positive charge. Of course, this is the okay, but F minus and O2 minus is the wrong. Then Al plus 3 and plus 2. So here it is wrong. So all 4 options are wrong. There is no correct answer. Next, go for the second question. The species argon, potassium and calcium ions contain the same number of electrons in which order to their radii increase. Concept is same. Argon, potassium plus calcium plus 2. So it is the more positive, means least size. Obviously calcium plus 2 is the least. So these 2 options. And neutral is highest. Neutral is highest means the B is the option. So option B is the correct. Option B is the correct. So reason you can see, calcium plus 2, argon and potassium plus, the number of protons 20, 18, 19, but number of electrons are same. So 20 electrons holding only 20 protons holding only 18 electrons. So those are coming to near the nucleus. So atomic size is decreasing. Here neutral equal. Here 1 proton is more. So little bit coming towards nucleus. So the conclusion is calcium plus 2 is smaller size than potassium plus than argon. Next, the formation of the oxide ion O minus 2 from oxygen atom requires first an exothermic and then the endothermic step as shown below. Thus, process of formation of O2 minus in gas phase is unfavorable even though oxygen 2 minus is isoelectronic with neon. You understood this question? See here. When oxygen is taking electron and forming O minus, that time energy releasing. This is exothermic reaction. This is the exothermic reaction. Now, after while taking the second electron forming O2 minus, the O2 minus equal to neon, that is stable, even though it is not releasing energy, it is endothermic reaction. Endothermic means itself it cannot take place. Some external heat is required, some external energy is required to form O2 minus. But why? Generally more stable should be formed easily, but here it is endothermic. The reason is here already O minus negative charge, while the second electron is adding, into this O minus. So electron repulsions are there. Electron repulsions are there. That's why this O2 minus is not forming easily. The main reason is repulsion. Why repulsions? Because here if you see the configuration of oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, only second shell it is. Second shell means this is the second shell, it is a smaller size. So already 5 electrons are there after taking 1 electron. So p5 almost filled, so smaller atomic size, already negative charge, so it is not ready to accept one more electron. Next, is it clear? So the next question is, in which of the following option the order of arrangement does not agree with the variation of property in indicated against it? So just you see these are correct or wrong, just you have to predict. See the first option, aluminum plus 3 is smaller than magnesium plus 2, then sodium plus, then F minus. So size, already we learned this one, first concept, it is the correct, because positive one is smaller size, then the neutral, then negative. So when more than one positive ions are there, more positive one has less size. Next, second option, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Ionization energy. Ionization energy always depends on the electronic configuration. See here, this is the P2 configuration, P3 configuration, P4. This is the P1. So boron, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen, ionization energy. So ionization energy, nitrogen should be highest, so this is the wrong. Okay. Next, electron affinity, lithium, iodine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine. Generally electron affinity down the group decreases, but chlorine is higher than the fluorine. Again, reason is due to smaller atomic size of fluorine. Electron affinity means while electron is adding to neutral atom, the releasing energy. So fluorine, chlorine, so this one also wrong. Next, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Metallic radius. Metallic radius is increasing here.